The traditional Swedish glödhoppor. This is a special kind of bread that comes from Hälsingland. Bread is not baked in the oven, it's baked on the stove in a frying pan. Ingredients for this bread is butter, salt, sour milk, flour made out of rye, dark syrup, and some regular flour for the baking. First of all, you measure 5 deciliters sour milk, 2.5 deciliter dark syrup, and 2 teaspoons salt, and 2 teaspoons baking soda, and mix them together in a bowl. Then you add about 1 kilogram rye flour. When you've done that, you beat the dough until it's smooth and sticky. When you're done with all of that, you put some flour onto a table, then you pour the dough onto the flour. Then you roll out the dough and cut it into pieces. Each piece should be about 80 grams. Use a scale to measure them. Now it's time to use a rolling pin to flat the buns into flat pancakes. Put the frying pan on the stove and heat it almost to full heat. Put butter in the pan and melt it. Put 1 pancake in the pan and fry it for 45 seconds on each side. And voila, there you have it. Now you've made glödhoppor. And I personally recommend you to put some butter and cheese and enjoy with a glass of milk.